Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter keeps closing. To not fix or how to solve Twitter, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you'll enter to the window of Twitter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to the window of first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.